Applying for a disabled parking permit can make a significant difference in the daily lives of individuals with mobility challenges. Accessible parking spaces are designed to reduce walking distance, provide additional room for safe entry and exit from vehicles, and improve access to buildings and services. Traditionally, obtaining a disability parking permit required visiting government offices, completing paperwork in person, and waiting in long lines. Today, many states allow individuals to apply for their disabled parking permit online, making the process faster, easier, and more accessible. Online applications have transformed the way people obtain disability parking permits, especially for individuals who may have difficulty traveling or standing for long periods. One of the most important benefits of applying for a disability parking permit online is convenience. People with mobility limitations often face physical challenges when traveling to government offices or waiting in crowded areas. Online applications allow individuals to complete the process from the comfort of their own homes. Instead of making multiple trips to a motor vehicle office, applicants can submit their information electronically using a computer, tablet, or smartphone. This can save time and reduce unnecessary stress. Online systems also allow applicants to complete forms at their own pace. If additional information or documentation is needed, the application can often be saved and completed later. This flexibility is particularly helpful for individuals managing medical conditions that may cause fatigue or discomfort. Another advantage of applying online is faster processing. When applications are submitted digitally, they can often be reviewed more quickly than paper forms that must be mailed or delivered in person. Electronic submissions reduce the time required for paperwork handling and data entry. In many cases, online applications move through the review process more efficiently, allowing applicants to receive their permits sooner. For individuals who rely on accessible parking to manage daily activities, faster processing can make a meaningful difference. Accuracy is another benefit of online applications. Many digital forms include built-in prompts and instructions that guide applicants through each section of the process. These prompts help ensure that required fields are completed and that important information is not accidentally left out. Incomplete applications can lead to delays or rejection, so having a system that helps verify information can improve the chances of a smooth approval process. Online systems may also allow applicants to upload supporting documents directly. This can include identification, proof of residency, and medical certification forms completed by healthcare providers. Being able to upload documents immediately helps ensure that all necessary information is submitted together, reducing the likelihood of delays caused by missing paperwork. Another benefit of online applications is accessibility. Many people who need disability parking permits are managing medical conditions that make travel difficult. Online systems allow individuals to avoid physically visiting government offices, which may involve long waits, limited seating, or difficult parking situations. For individuals recovering from surgery, managing chronic pain, or dealing with temporary mobility limitations, applying online can make the process far more manageable. Online applications can also simplify communication between applicants and government agencies. Many systems provide confirmation messages when an application has been submitted successfully. Some even allow applicants to track the status of their application as it moves through the review process. This transparency helps applicants understand where they are in the process and reduces uncertainty. Another important advantage is that online systems often make it easier to renew disability parking permits when they expire. Many states allow permit renewals to be completed through the same online portal used for initial applications. Renewing online eliminates the need to repeat the entire application process or visit a motor vehicle office in person. Keeping a permit up to date is important because using an expired permit may lead to fines or loss of parking privileges. While the application process varies slightly from state to state, most online disability parking permit applications follow similar steps. First, the applicant provides basic personal information such as name, address, date of birth, and driver's license number. This information helps the state agency verify identity and eligibility. Next, the applicant usually submits medical certification from a licensed healthcare provider. This step confirms that the individual has a qualifying condition that significantly limits mobility. Healthcare providers may complete a section of the application form or provide a signed medical statement verifying the condition. Once the medical certification is completed, the applicant uploads the documentation along with any required identification or supporting documents. After reviewing all the information for accuracy, the applicant submits the application electronically for processing. Once the application is approved, the disability parking permit is typically mailed to the applicant's home address. After receiving the permit, it must be displayed clearly whenever the vehicle is parked in a designated accessible parking space. It is also important to remember that disability parking permits are issued to individuals rather than vehicles. This means the permit can usually be used in any vehicle as long as the person to whom it was issued is present. For example, if the permit holder is riding with a family member or friend who is driving, the permit can still be used to park in an accessible parking space. However, the permit should never be used when the eligible individual is not present. Misuse of a disability parking permit can lead to fines, penalties, or revocation of parking privileges. Applying online also helps promote accessibility and modernization in government services. As more agencies move toward digital platforms, individuals can access services more easily without unnecessary physical barriers. This shift toward digital access reflects a broader effort to make public services more inclusive and efficient. For individuals who qualify for accessible parking, obtaining a disability parking permit is an important step toward improving mobility and independence. Accessible parking spaces reduce walking distance, provide safer vehicle access, and help individuals navigate public spaces more comfortably. Online applications make it easier than ever to obtain these important accommodations. By eliminating the need for in-person visits, reducing processing times, and improving convenience, online systems help ensure that individuals with mobility challenges can access the support they need without unnecessary difficulty. For anyone who qualifies for a disability parking permit, applying online can be a simple and effective way to begin the process and gain access to the accessibility accommodations that support everyday life. We hope you found this information helpful. If you need assistance obtaining a handicapped placard or plate and want to avoid the hassle, paperwork confusion, or trying to coordinate a doctor's appointment on your own, visit handicappedparking.com. Our platform connects you with licensed doctors online from the comfort of your home, making the process simple, secure, and stress-free. If you're facing any challenges with your disabled parking permit, let us know and we'll see what we can do to help you regain your traveling freedom. Our goal is to give you the knowledge and support you need to improve your quality of life. Be sure to follow this channel for more answers to your handicap parking questions, and feel free to leave a comment below. We're always happy to help. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.